Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Gmail. You will click on settings. You will go here to apps, default apps, app settings. You will click on Gmail app. You will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search for Gmail. And then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.